Guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this welcome home sign. I'm going in first and painting the background in the color driftwood, and if you wanted to, you could go ahead and just paint over the letters and then come back in once it's dried and fill those in. I wanted to be able to go ahead and start my letters, so I avoided them as much as I could. However, you can still see that there are some spots that I went over them, and that will be fine. I'm blending just a little bit of soft pink and then peony. I'm using Florida orange first. So soft pink, Florida orange, and then I'm going to blend the peony color into the edges of this flower. And pretty much what I like to do when I do blending is just like get my paint on whatever I'm blending. Just like get my different 3 layers on there and then blend until I'm happy with the way it looks. And now I'm going in and painting this flower in Plum Crazy. And I'm just painting the center in chocolate. I'm going in now with the color Limeade to paint my leaves. And then I'm going to go in with the Gulf and paint my lettering. And I'm just going in with a smaller brush for my lettering. Probably like a number 4 round will work. And just taking my time to fill in each letter, and these are etched into the cutout for me, so I'm not having to freehand any of this. It makes it super easy. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to begin my outlining process, which I'm going to use some black paint and a number 4 round for. So I'm going to begin to outline my flowers. And then I'm going to go in and begin to outline my lettering. So as you can tell, I'm not doing like a solid outline. I'm just hitting it here and there to make it pop. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of cotton and highlight everything with that same number 4 round. And then that will complete my project. So as always, I really hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.